Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Shariful Islam from Rajshahi Polytechnic Institute in Mechatronics Technology. Today we will discuss a counter system in Siemens PLC. How to make this system? First we open this software and make a program for counting, and then we download this program and look out how to work in this program in PLC. So first I need a switch for counting. I 0.0 is my counting switch, and then I need a counter. I use a up counter. I call this C1 counter and I count 1 to 5. You can count any number 1 to 7, 1 to 8, 1 to 9, 10, what you need, and you can use. I use counting 5, 1 to 5. And then I need a switch for system reset. I used I use a switch for reset. I 0.1 in my reset pin. When I press this button, the counter system is reset and counting again. And I need a output for check this counter. My output is Q 0.0. Okay, my program is ready, and now I download this program in my S7200 PLC. Okay, we have no error or no warning. Then we can download this program in my PLC. Okay, my program is downloading. Okay, download was successful. Now we check how to work in the program in this PLC. Look, we have two switches. One is counting switch and one is reset switch. The counting switch, when I press this button 1 to 5, the output Q 0.0 is on, and this button I press, the system is reset and again counting. Okay, look, I press this 5 and output is on. Again I press this button but not working. When I press this reset button, the output is off. Okay, again we press this button 1 to 5 and the output is on. Look, 1 2 3 4 5, the output is on, but still it's not working. Again we press this reset button and output is off. And this is the system of counting. You can make any counting system in this program base, and what you need you can make in this counting system.